He's shown no remorse. What surprised me is that he testified at trial and then really couldn't stand up to, basic cross-examination questions. I mean, he's never shown a shred of humanity.
Tonight, a man who murdered his stepdaughter learns he's headed to prison for life. Good evening. Thank you for joining us. I'm Pat Paris.
And I'm Valerie Cavazos.
We've been following this case since 13-year-old Jaden Gloam's body was found near her home back in May of 2017.
And now let's go to 9 News Side's Craig Smith. He was there today at Joshua Lelevier's when he learned his punishment for killing his stepdaughter. Craig.
Well, Joshua Lelevier will serve life in prison without parole, plus an additional 34 years for other crimes connected to this murder. He did have a chance to speak before sentencing, but he did not. Jaden Gloam was found strangled a short distance from the family home. She was barefoot, but her feet showed no sign she'd been walking outdoors. Much of the trial hinged on the suggestion the teen was aware her stepfather had planted cameras able to catch pictures of her nude. Before she died, the girl told a friend she had seen her stepfather try to take a picture by sliding a phone under her bathroom door, and that she had been terrified ever since. Lelevier insisted the cameras were only a misguided effort to catch the 13-year-old drinking alcohol and to gather evidence to convince the girl's mother. But with Lelevier on the stand, prosecutor Jonathan Mosier reminded him how jurors asked what would he expect if he rigged cameras to see into a girl's bathroom.
And your answer to this jury is you could not possibly have expected to find Jaden nude in the bathroom, right?
Yes.
And this putting in of a tampon in the bathroom, this is a total surprise, correct?
Correct.
Okay, so let's talk about what people do in bathrooms. Do you shower in your clothing, sir?
No, I do not.
And did you expect that Jaden showered in her clothing?
Of course not.
Lelevier claimed he thought his stepdaughter dressed in her room, not her bathroom. Lelevier claimed many of the images were captured by accident because he did not really understand how to use the cameras and their software. Now, a lawyer speaking for Lelevier's ex-wife said she wants to thank prosecutors for their hard work and that there's a feeling of relief that this case is over. Now, prosecutors did not go for the death penalty. They say they did not have the level of fine detail about Jaden Gloam's death required in a death penalty case. However, not going for death does spare the family from the strain of the years of appeals that are automatic in any death penalty case. Reporting live, Craig Smith, KGUN 9 on your side.